kay Father Brad.
I would like to call Father Charles to his council line. I would like to say call Father Brian. Father Brian.
Our parish priest.
Our DPC head, Kuya Jude. Let's come forward. Our GSP head, Kuya Renelio. Our finance secretary, Tita Ana, please come forward. And our formation team head, Ate Ana, and Ate Cora, please come forward. Meron po mga kapatid na handang magsakripisyo at mag-alay ng kanilang buhay para sa ating lahat at para sa Panginoon. The success of our fiesta activities doesn't lie on my hands alone, but it lies on the hands of those people who are here and to all of you who are always supporting programs, activities of Good Shepherd Palace. Truly, there are moments that we just wanted to drop our sword because we feel also the tiredness. But every time that we're feeling this tiredness of our body, we are always thinking that we are giving inspiration to each one of us to deepen more our faith, our love to our Good Shepherd and the parish where we belong. Ang amin po mga kapatid na nandito po ngayon, hindi ko po kayo iisa-isahin, na nagsakripisyo, nag-alay, nagbigay, at nagmahal po sa proyektong ito. Alam po ng Diyos kung papaano po kayo ipinagdarasal gabi-gabi. Maraming salamat po, and tomorrow there will be a gathering of our brothers and sisters who are PWPs. They are part of our community. That's why this is another venture that we're going to journey upon, that we're going to hold the hands of our brothers and sisters who are disabled, who are in some way or another, the community branded them as outcasts. They are part of us. And tomorrow we'll be